Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on location and setting high accuracy. This ensures the arrow reflects true heading. Once done, open Google Maps and load a route, or simply tap your blue dot so the navigation UI appears. Make sure the app is up to date. Because icon choices moved in recent updates, you need the newer navigation controls before you can change the arrow. This gets you into the view where the arrow or vehicle icon can be edited. Now you change the arrow. While in turn-by-turn mode, tap the blue arrow or vehicle icon at the bottom. A small menu of icons appears. You pick an arrow or one of the vehicle presets, and the map updates immediately so you can confirm orientation. If the arrow still faces the wrong way, calibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure 8 pattern. This corrects heading so the arrow matches the direction you face. Keep an eye on the small accuracy meter. To finish, exit and reopen navigation to confirm the chosen icon persists. Google Maps usually saves it per device. If icon options are missing, update the app first, then clear the app cache or reinstall. Make sure location permissions are allowed. If heading remains inaccurate, test the device compass in another app. A faulty compass means the arrow will never align. If that's the case, consider a hardware service or use GPS-only mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.